Welcome back, guys. We are here with the next one. In today's video, we're gonna make the French fries from scratch. I'm gonna have Max washing the potatoes. Stay tuned.
Now guys, we're gonna wash these potatoes.
Okay guys, it's time to peel.
Now I'm going to wash these again and remove the starch of it. Then I'm going to let my dad cut it up.
Okay guys, we're about to do the cutting, but guess what? I don't have the mandolin that can give you those straight cuts, so I'm gonna try and use a knife and see the result we get from it. What do you think, Max? Should I do wedge or try out for the fries itself?
Yeah, I think you should try it for the fries itself.
Because you're a fries lover, right?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
So guys, we're gonna leave these overnight in some salt water. Okay guys, he's trying to run from it, but you know, we have to get him involved in the kitchen. Right, Chef Max?
Yeah.
So guys, you know, when you're doing it, you don't want to cut it. You don't want to cut it too thick. Because you want it to cook properly. Now guys, this is it. This is it, the final cut. So now I'm gonna add some water with some salt, then put it in the fridge and leave it overnight. Gonna make sure every pieces are covered. That is it. That is it.
Okay, now guys, we're gonna take out the water out of the fries. Okay guys, now that we take the water out of this, now we're gonna make this dry out and stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Okay guys, as you can see, Max removed the water. So it's time for the technical part. Now we're adding the oil, guys. Now guys, we're gonna preheat. We're gonna preheat the fryer. Alright guys, once you see the green light, you know it's ready. The oil is hot and ready. try and pot dry the fries as best as I can to remove the water. We're gonna fry 10 to 15 minutes until golden. Look at the colors. It's coming so good. Look at that. Ooh, golden. See, once it's floating, it's almost done. Alright guys, this is the last of it. It's a little bit fresh. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to it. Alright guys, this is the end. This is the end of the video. You don't know, Max and I, we're gonna have the taste test. Alright guys, it's time for the taste
Test.
It's not that crunchy, but it's cooked, and that's the greatest thing. Some are crunchy.
Yes, sir. We're still good.
Yeah. I think if I had cut it a little thinner, we would get it a little crunchier. Max, you wanna close the video?
Okay, guys. I want you guys to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Yeah, hold on. Tell us how we did. All the chefs out there. Tell us where we go wrong. I think we should have blanched the potatoes instead of soaking it in the water. But thanks for watching, guys.